In this video, we will talk about Discord update failed fix Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Run Discord as administrator. Right-click on the Discord. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. If it updates successfully, right-click the Discord again. Select Properties. Click on Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and OK. Method 2. Rename or delete update file. Right-click on bottom bar. Select Task Manager. Search for Discord. Right-click and click on End Task. Now click in Search. Type Run and open it. Type %localappdata%. Click on OK. Find the Discord folder. Double-click on it. Rename it to Update-old.exe. Open the Discord. Hopefully, this will fix the issue. If not, then follow our other methods. Method 3. Clear Discord cache. Right-click on bottom bar. Select Task Manager. Search for Discord. Right-click and click on End Task. Click in Search. Type Run and open it. Type %appdata%. Click on OK. Delete the Discord folder. Now click in here and type %localappdata%. Press Enter. Delete the Discord folder here as well. Click on Windows icon. Restart your PC. Open File Explorer. Go to Download and install the setup. So that's how you can fix Discord update failed error. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods to fix the issue, linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.